Welcome back. This time we are at Yosemite National Park.
So we are hiking the Mt Hoffmann trail.
It's supposed to be a very popular trail where you can look down upon Clouds Rest and Half Dome at the same time. So there is an elevation gain of about 1900 meters. Mount Hoffmann at the backdrop, and this is May Lake. We are kind of lost, but the view is amazing. We did ask a couple of folks, and it seems that we were kind of going the wrong way, so they pointed us to the right direction to go to. We made a 180-degree error, so we are going back from where we came from. When you reach the May Lake campground, make sure to go to the left, not the right. It's more beautiful on the right, so we just took the right turn. But yeah, make sure to go to the left. First 2 miles was easy, but the next 2 miles just tests your limit. It's pretty steep and rocky. The trail is very poorly marked. What we ended up doing was to keep looking at the summit to navigate our way up. We have to climb that mountain. It's not at all a well-marked trail. We are just trying to follow the stones, the markers. One more mistake. So we went all the way up there. We thought that's the Mount Hoffmann, but actually we had to go around, which is a much flatter trail, and we had to go there. So we kind of wasted at least an hour going back and coming down. Yeah, there's our climber. It's pretty steep. We are at top of Hoffmann, and that's May Lake. That's Clouds Rest, and that's Half Dome. All in one shot. We thought it's a popular hike, but we have the entire peak to ourselves. There's no one. We soaked in the views, took a few pictures, and met a lot of marmots, and had our lunch at the beautiful May Lake. And after this tiring hike, we took a plunge in the super cold alpine waters of the Tenaya Lake and decided to call it a day. Next day, we decided to explore the eastern side of Sierras. We started by doing some activities at the June Lake.
We are kayaking in June Lake.
For the first time, we also tried our hands on stand-up paddleboarding. We made a quick pit stop at Mono Lake just to see what it is, and it's very stinky.
We earlier thought of swimming here, but just not possible.
It's 2.5 times saltier than seawater, and it has a lot of brine and small insects.
Yeah, you can see seagulls nibbling on
Those insects.
all.
We are
animals.
going to see the tufas, which are calcium formations made from the salty water. All these black dots, they're all insects which these birds are feeding on. It's known that a lot of migratory birds come here to feed as well. We also stopped at the Bodie State Historic Park, a gold mining town which once had a population of over 10,000 people. The town is preserved in a state of arrested decay, meaning the interiors are preserved as they were left. That's all for this one. In the next episode, you'll see us hike the Mist Trail to the top of Nevada Falls and visit the Yosemite Valley.